Hello Mzansi, Gogo Maweni and Musa Khawula's friendship went from 100 to a 0 real quick. So the two, we've been seeing them hanging out together. They're also shooting a reality show as we speak. So now Musa Khawula today early in the morning posted a WhatsApp conversation between him and Gogo Maweni about SK Kosa HIV status, saying that he is positive, and we all know that for the fact that Musa Khawula is taking this WhatsApp conversation as proof, it means that he is going to talk about this in his podcast or his YouTube channel. So now Gogo Maweni politely asked Musa Khawula to take down the WhatsApp conversation. She said that I know we are friends, but this is low and he's still the father of my child. It's not your place to disclose his status. He will be fine. It's not a death sentence and may he find strength. Please delete the post. Guess what happened? Musa Khawula did not delete the post, did not even delete the story on his feed. Because WhatsApp conversation is between two people, and sometimes as you're reading, it gets boring. So I just, cut the part where it shows that this is what Gogo Maweni had to say about SK Kosa being HIV positive. Gogo Maweni texting to Musa Khawula. He tested for HIV for his upcoming role and results were positive for HIV. That is why he is now on a kaya. Who wants to work with Mr. Koff, who is HIV? Awema, so that is why Abuti was hooking him up with that guy for pills. Let me come over now. That's Musa Khawula responding to Gogo Maweni. Now, Mzansi, the whole WhatsApp conversation, it's this, but I just needed to cut the part where Gogo Maweni is emphasizing that SK Kosa is HIV positive. So I don't know how that goes about, when you disclose a person's status without their consent, especially on social media. And what's part about it is that this is the father of your child, and you're telling this exclusive information to tabloids. I mean, first thing first, you have publicly admitted, Gogo Maweni has publicly admitted that she bewitched SK Kosa. Isn't that enough? Because we saw him over the past, years losing it mentally, losing his jobs. No, now you are finishing him. I mean, if things are working out for you, like let the other person be. That is just me. I don't know, Mzansi.